It's mid-autumn and it's a perfect time for Queenslanders to get out in the garden and get busy. There's lots of planting, pruning and picking to do. Here's a checklist of things that you can do in your garden this April. This month is all about citrus. There's plenty of range in store. Come in and check it out. There's lemons, limes, grapefruits, everything to boost your garden. Citrus love full sun, which is great for us Queenslanders. They like a fertile, well-drained soil. And if you check out the new range in store, there's a dwarf variety that go perfect in pots on your patio. Just remember, when planting in pots, make sure you use a premium potting mixture and it will have extra goodies like fertilizer and soil wetters. Look to natives as well. There's plenty of varieties in store, including trees, ground covers and shrubs. There's grevilleas and callistemons, to name a few, but there's sure to be some varieties in store that will suit your soil and climate. They'll attract birds, bees and insects too. Also consider cinerarias. They have large showy foliage and are a great contrast for garden pots or garden edging. They like a sunny to partly shaded position. There's nothing like eating home-grown veggies, so get your seedlings in now. Amongst other things, I'm going to put in sweet corn, capsicum and a few varieties of lettuce. I'm going to stagger the planting so I can harvest at different times later on. If you're unsure of what to plant in the garden, come in store, see one of our garden experts and we'll get you on the right track to getting your garden ready. Don't forget our perfect plant promise. All of our plants, except seedlings, are guaranteed for 12 months. If you're not 100% happy with your purchase, return the plant with your receipt and we'll give you a full refund. After all the busy work of pruning, prepping and planting, the best bit comes next, and that's the harvest. Lovely leafy green vegetables like silver beet, all your different tomato varieties, spring onions, zucchinis, red and green capsicums, and your lovely basil. Planting is always really good fun, but the key to really booming gardens is maintenance and preparation. Here's a few tips on what you should be doing now. Tidy up the veggie beds and remove any that are finished, ready for the next season's planting. Roses benefit from a feed in April. If you need advice on what to use, come into store and see the experts. Mulching is the garden's best friend. Top up where needed to help the soil retain moisture and suppress weeds. Citrus don't always need pruning, but if you want to give yours a trim to improve the shape, do it now once the fruit's been harvested. Get out and get these jobs done now so you can sit back, relax and reap the rewards. Come and see the expert team at your local Bunnings and see all the plants that we have for your backyard. Click here for more garden advice and click here to go to the website.